Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to talk about the difference between is and double equals in Python. And to illustrate this, I'm going to create a numbers list. And let's say the numbers list is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And now I want to copy the numbers list. So I'm going to take the numbers list and create a numbers list 2. And to copy it, I'm going to use a slicing technique where I can just take the numbers list here and put a colon. And that's basically going to start from index 0 and copy the entire list. Okay, and here I'm going to print numbers list double equals numbers list 2. And I'm also going to print numbers list is numbers list 2. Okay, let's save that and let's build this. And we'll note at the bottom here we get true and false. So this first one is true. And the second one is false. So the basic difference between these two is that the first one basically compares the values and checks that they're equal. So both these lists are lists of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The second one checks if they are the same thing in memory. So these are actually two different lists. They are not the same list. Okay, so numbers list 2 is taking up a different part of the memory than numbers list. They are different. So that's basically just a short video on the difference between double equals and is in Python. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing, as it really does help the channel grow. I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.